Alright guys, welcome back to Underground Science, and in this video we're going to be talking about acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, so we see it in the name, right? So hydration is a reaction involving the addition of water across a double bond. Okay, so basically if we just jumped right in, right, and went to a simple example, so we see a double bond here, and if we react this with water, right, we can't just react it with water, we actually need a catalyst, and in this case the catalyst is going to be the acid. That's why it's called acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, so we can add sulfuric acid, which is a strong acid, in here, and then this can lead to the addition of water across this double bond. So we're going to have OH here and H here, and of course OH plus H, right, makes water. So we added water across this previously double bond. But additionally, if we look at the reagent itself, right, so what do we have? We have water and sulfuric acid, right? So let's go and write that out individually and kind of do a reaction with it. So if we do this, and we remember from our Gen Chem playlist, Bronson-Lowry acids and bases, in this case, the sulfuric acid is going to act as the acid, right? So it's going to donate a proton to water, and this is going to act as the Bronson-Lowry base because it's going to accept a hydrogen. So we're going to donate a hydrogen to water, water's going to accept it, then water is going to become a hydronium ion, which is very acidic, and this is going to become, the sulfuric acid is going to turn into its conjugate base, right, which will look something like this, with a negative charge. And so the main thing that we have to focus on, though, is this hydronium. So because we form this hydronium, we can also write this reaction, right, as this. So we can write the same reactant sign, but instead of saying water and sulfuric acid, we just saw a formed hydronium, right, when you mixed sulfuric acid and water together. So we can just simply write, we're reacting this whole thing with hydronium, and it'll lead to the same product, which will be adding water across the double bond to look something like this. So now that we know the basics of how this reaction works, right, in the next video, we're going to actually go over the mechanism. So we're going to pick up right from here in the next video. So I hope to see you guys there.